Children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So in today's class we are going to discuss level 2 questions from factors and multiples. Starting with the first question for today. What are the multiples of 16 between 40 and 90? If you look at the multiples of 16, children, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80. Yes, and then we have 16 six are 96. Okay, if you want, you can write 16 twos are 32, 16 ones are 16. Now from these multiples, what are the multiples between 40 and 90? These three multiples, what are they? 48, 64 and 80. Now which is the correct option? Option A. 48, 64 and 80 are the multiples of 16 between 40 and 90. Understood, children? Yes. Next question. What is the seventh multiple of 9? Again, we have discussed earlier. When we say the seventh multiple of 9, it is nothing but 9 into 7. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. So 63 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. What is the 11th multiple of 6? Again, 11th multiple of 6 means 6 into 11 is equal to 66. So 66 is our correct answer. Next, what is the next number in the sequence? And what are the numbers we have? 2, 6, 18, 54 and so on. Always, children, in such sequences, the numbers follow a same pattern. Okay, we are having 2, 6, 18 and 34. Now the numbers are increasing by very big difference. Yes, here the difference is 4, then it is 12. Yes or no? So the difference is so much, that means we are multiplying the numbers with something. How will we get 6? 2 threes are 6. Yes, first we are having 2. So we'll get 2 threes are 6. Then we have 18. How will we get it? 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Then we have 54. How will we get it, children? 18 into 3 is equal to 54. Okay, so what are we understanding? When the previous number is multiplied by 3, we will get the next number. Yes. So for the what do we want? We want the number after 54. So to get that, we should multiply 54 by 3. 3 fours are 12, 1 carried. 3 fives are 15 plus 1, 16. What is our answer, children? 162, that is option B. Okay, understood. See, when the numbers are increasing by so much, it means that we are multiplying the numbers. So here 54 into 3 is equal to 162. That is our next number in the sequence. Next question. 55. You are thinking of a number that is a multiple of 7 and 12. What is the smallest number that you can think of? See, it is a multiple. Yes, multiple of both 7 and 12. That means it is a common multiple, CM. And also it is the smallest multiple. That means we have to find out the least common multiple, children. Okay, LCM. So to find out the LCM, what should we do? We should write the multiples of 7 and 12. Yes, first I will write the multiples of 12. There are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 108 and 120. Yes. Now from these multiples, can you say any one of them comes in the 7th table? 12 does not come, 24 does not come, 36 does not come, 48 also does not come. Yes, again 60 also does not come, 72 also does not come. Yes, children, see, 7 tens are 70, then we have 7 11s are 77, and then we have 7 12s are 84. There we have our least common multiple, that is 84. Yes, see, I have written all the multiples of 12. Yes, all the 10 multiples of 12 And then if we check, the first 7 multiples are not the multiples of 7. Yes or no? We have 7, we have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72. These are not the multiples of 12. These are not the multiples of 7. But then we have 84, which is also a multiple of 7. 7 12s are 84. So this is our least common multiple. Option C, 84 becomes our correct answer. Okay. Next question. What is the greatest length? What is the greatest length that is used to measure 8 meters, 6 meters and 14 meters exactly? Now for these kind of questions, you have to find out the HCF, children. They are asking us the greatest, right? Greatest, that means the highest. What? That is used to measure all these three exactly. Yes, that means the number should divide all these three numbers exactly. That means that the number should be a common factor for all the three numbers. Yes, so we are going to find out the HCF, or also known as the highest common factor of 8, 6 and 14. Now one way to find out is, let us take the first number 4 here. Now is 4 a factor of 8? Yes. Is 4 a factor of 6? No. So A cannot be a correct answer. Coming to 3, is 3 a factor of 8? No, children. Now coming to 6, is 6 a factor of 8? No. Now lastly we have 2, is 2 a factor of 8? Yes. Is 2 a factor of 6? Yes. Is 2 a factor of 14? Yes. So 2 meters can be used to measure these three: 8 meters, 6 meters and 14 meters exactly. Okay, this is the one method where we are taking each option and checking whether it is a common factor or not. Or else what you can do is, write all the factors of the given numbers. For 6, the factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. For 4, the factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. For 14, the factors are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Now if you observe, these three numbers have two common factors, 1 and 2, out of which 2 is the highest common factor. So 2 meters becomes our correct answer. Okay. Next question. Which of the following numbers has the least number of factors? Now we are having four numbers here: 66, 106, 78 and 110, children. Now we should find out which has the least number of factors. So we should list out the factors first. For 66, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 11, 22, 33 and 66. Yes, for 106 the factors are 1, 2, 53 and 106. For 78 the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 13, 26, 39 and 78. For 110 the factors are 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, 22, 55 and 110, children. By looking at the number of factors for each number given, which is the number that has the least number of factors? B. Yes, B, 106 has only 4 factors. That is the least among all the given numbers. Okay. Next question, 58. Choose the correct option in the questions given below. Which number below is a factor of 12? Now again, what is a factor? A factor is a number that divides our 12 exactly here. Yes. Does 10 divide 12 exactly? No. Does 7 divide 12 exactly? No. Does 5 divide 12 exactly? No. Does 6 divide 12 exactly? Yes. We have 6 2s are 12. We have 6 2s are 12. When we divide 12 by 6, the quotient will be 2 and the remainder will be 0. So 6 is the correct answer. Next question. Choose the correct option for the questions given below. Which number is not a factor of 8? Okay, children, now one way to solve is, list out the factors of 8, that are 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the 4 factors of 8. Now from the given options, which is not present in the list of factors? 3. So 3 is not a factor of 8. Okay. Now another way to find out is take each of the number and then divide 8 by that number. We have 3 2s are 6. When we subtract, 2 is our remainder. So here the remainder is not equal to 0. So 3 is not a factor of 8. Okay children. Next question. Which number below is a factor of 16? What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now from the given options, which is matching these factors given? Option B, 2. Yes, 2 is a factor of 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2 is a factor of 16. Next question. Which number below is a factor of 21? Again, what are the factors of 21 children? We have 121s are 21 and 3 7s are 21. So the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now from the given options, which is the correct answer? 7. Yes, so 7 is a factor of 21. Option C is our correct answer. Next question. Which number below is a factor of 25? Now what are the factors of 25? 125s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So option D, 5 becomes our correct answer. Yes. Next, which number below is not a factor of 20? Now if you look at the factors of 20, we have 120s are 20, 2 20s are 20 and 4 5s are 20. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Yes. So from the given options, which is not there? We have 1, we have 20 and also we have 4. 8 is not a factor of 20. So 8 becomes our correct option children. Okay. 8 is not a factor of 20. That means 8 does not divide 20 exactly. Next question. 64. Which number below is a factor of 18? Now again we are having 4 options, 10, 2, 4 and 5. Now which is not a factor of 18? What are the factors of 18? 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18 and 3 6 are 18. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So from the given options, which is the factor of 18? 2. Yes, option B, 2 is a factor of 18. Clear children? Next question, 65. Choose the correct option in the questions given below. Which number is not a factor of 14? And the options are 14, 2, 7 and 6. What are the factors of 14? 1 14s are 14 and 2 7s are 14. So 14 is a factor, 2 is a factor and 7 is a factor. Which is not the factor here? Option D, 6 is not a factor of 14. Next question. Which number below is a factor of 24? Again, the factors of 24 are 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24 and 4 6s are 24. Yes, so the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Yes children, so from the given options, which is not there in this list? Option B, 10. 10 is not a factor of 24, whereas 8, 4 and 12 are the factors of 24. Yes. Next question, 67. Which number below is not a factor of 22? Again, we have to write down the factors of 22. We have 120s 122s are 22 and 2 11s are 22. So 22 has only 4 factors, 1 to 11 and 22. Now which of the following is not a factor of 22? No, it should be is a factor of 22. Yes. Now from the given options we have only one factor, that is option A, 2. 2 is a factor of 22. 3, 6 and 5 are not the factors of 22. Next question. Match the following. List 1. In the list 1 we are having certain statements, and in the list 2 we are having certain numbers, children. Now we need to match the following. Match the statements in list 1 with the multiples in list 2. Option A, first statement is first 4 multiples of 3. What are the first 4 multiples of 3? We have 3, 6, 9 and 12. That is nothing but our option 4. Next, statement B. First 4 multiples of 6. What are the first 4 multiples of 6, children? How will we get? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are 22. These 4 are the first 4 multiples of 6. Yes, 6, 12, 18 and 24. That is option 1. Next statement C. First 4 multiples of 5. What are the first 4 multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15 and 20. That is option 2. And lastly we are remaining only with option D, and here we are having only 3, so they will be our correct match. The first 4 multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30 and 40. So what is the answer, children? A is 4, yes, B is 1, C is 2 and D is 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. See, 4, 1, 2, 3. Option B is our correct answer. Yes, children? Next question. Again, we have another match the following here. In list 1, we are having 3 factors of 100 are. 3 factors of 100 are. And in list 2, what are the factors of 100 actually? We have 1 hundreds are, 2 50s are, and then we have 4 25s are, and then we have 10 10s are, and then we have 5 20s are. Yes, children, so all these are our factors of 100. Now from these, which are there in the list 2? Number 2, 2, 25 and 20. We have 2 50s are 100, 25 fours are 100 and 25s are 100. So what is the correct answer here? A, 2 is the correct answer. Now see, children, what is the advantage of match the following is that now we have solved one question, right? What is that? A is equal to 2. Now you can check the options of A. Yes, in which option does A have 2 as the answer? Option C. In only option C we find that A is having 2 as our answer. So this becomes our final answer. Even without answering the remaining 3, we can say that if we are 100% confident that this is our correct answer, A2, then we can say that this option C is the correct answer. Okay. But for the purpose of explanation, I will explain the remaining 3 as well. Now 4 factors of 75 are. It should not be 4, it should be 3. 3 factors of 75 are this 3, 5 and 15. Okay, we have 15 5s are 75. See. And then in 3 table we have 3 25s are 75. So 3, 5 and 15 are our factors of 75. Now next coming to the factors of 48. Now we are having 7 here, and yes, is 7 a factor of 48, children? No. Is 4 a factor of 48? Yes. So option A1 becomes the answer for statement C. Now lastly the factors of 56 are 7, 4 and 8. We have 7 8s are 56 and then we have 14 4s are 56. Yes, children. So what are the correct answers here? A is equal to 2, B is 3, C is 1 and D is 4. See, it is option C only. Yes, 2, 3, 1 and 4. 2, 3, 1 and 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Now coming to question 70. Read the statement carefully and choose the correct option with true or false. Now here we are having few statements here. How many? 4 statements. The first statement is 6. Let me underline it with the color. Yes, 6 is a multiple of 18. Now what is a multiple of 18? 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. Yes, children. So all the multiples of 18 are equal to or greater than 18 here. Now does 6 come under that category? No. 6 is a factor of 18 but not a multiple of 18. So first statement is false. Now coming to the second one, 24 is a multiple of 3. Do we have 24 as a multiple of 3? We have 3 8s are 24. Yes, we have 3 8s are 24. So yes, 24 is a multiple of 3. So statement 2 is true. Now coming to statement 3. 5 is a factor of 20. Is 5 a factor of 20, children? Yes, we have 5 4s are 20. So 5 is a factor of 20. And lastly, for statement 4 we have 88 is a factor of 4. Now see, children, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now is 88 in this list? No. 8 is not a factor of 4. So that is false. Now what is the code here? I mean, what is the correct option? First one is false, then we have true, then we have true and then we have false. FTTF, option A is our correct answer. Okay. Next question 71. Read the statement carefully and choose the correct option with true or false. Yes, you get, again we are having certain statements here. The first one is, you get a multiple when a number is multiplied by another number. Yes or no, children? Yes, this is true. When a number is multiplied with another number, then we get its multiple. Now coming to the second one, a factor is a number that is half of itself. Is it true? No, it is false. A factor is a number that divides the given number exactly. Yes. Now next, coming to statement 3. 1 is a factor of every number. Is it true? Yes, it is true. 1 is a factor of every number and also it is the smallest factor of every number. Now coming to the last statement, every multiple is less or equal to the number. See, if we write the multiples of a number, say multiples of 2. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Now what can you say about the comparison between multiples and the number? Every multiple is either equal to or greater than the given number. Yes, see, 4, 6, 8, 10, all these are greater than 2 and the first multiple 2 is equal to our given number. So all the given numbers are either equal or greater than every multiple is either greater than or equal to the given number. It is not less than or equal to. So statement 4 is false. What is the correct code here? True, false, true, false. TF, TF. And children, while writing this, try to write in the same order. See, the first one should be the true or false for the first statement. Second one should be for the second one. Third one should belong to the third one. And fourth letter here should belong to the fourth statement. Okay. Option B, true, false becomes our correct answer. Next question 72. Again, we are having few statements here. The first one is 63, 77 and 81 are all multiples of 9. Okay, in the multiples of 9 we have 9 sevens are 63, yes, and 9 nines are 81. But 77 is not a multiple of 9. So, first statement is false. Next we have 49, 63 and 88 are all multiples of 7. Now again we have 7 sevens are 49, we have 7 nines are 63, and then we do not have 88 as a multiple of 7, children. Okay, we do not have, we have 7 12s are 84, but we do not have 88 in the 7th table. So again statement 2 is false. Now coming to statement 3, 6, 2, 5 and 8 are factors of, but 6 is not a multiple of 40. Yes children, 2, 5 and 8 are the multiples of 40. But 2, 5 and 8 are the factors of factors of 40, but 6 is not a factor of 40. So option, this statement also becomes false. Now coming to the last one, let me take another color ink. Yes, 6 and 13 are the factors of 234, children. Okay, for this number to be a factor, for 230, for 6 to be a factor of 234, it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Yes, it's having 4 in the ones place, so it is divisible by 2. And if you look at the sum of the digits, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. It is a multiple of 3. So the number 234 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6 as well. Now coming to the divisibility by 13, let us divide and see whether it divides or not. We have 13 ones are 13, and when we subtract 10 is remaining, 4 brought down, 13 eights are 104. Yes, the remainder is 0. So 13 is a factor. 13 and 6 both are our factors of 234. Yes children. So that is why the statement 4 is true. Now what is the correct code here? False, false, false and true. I know that we are not having any option here, but this is the correct answer, children. False, false, false and true. Okay. Next question. From the list given below, find how many numbers are factors of 125. First, the factors of 125 are 125s are 125. Then we have 5 25s are 125. Only these 4 are the factors of 125. Now from the list, what do we have in the list? We have 5 here, and then we have 25 here. So from the given list of numbers, only 2 numbers, that is option D, are the factors of 125. Next question 74. From the list given below, how many numbers are the multiples of 20? Now the multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. The first 5 multiples. Now from the list, which are the same here? We have 40, 80 and 100. Yes, so these 3 numbers are the multiples of 20. Okay children. Next question. What defines the two circles A and B, including the common portion between A and B in the following diagram? Now as we have discussed, this is a Venn diagram, and the numbers in the circle A. What are the numbers in circle A? 5, 15, 25, 10, 20 and 30. What are these? If you look at the options, these are the multiples of which number, children? All these are the multiples of 5. Yes, thus numbers in circle A, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 are the multiples of 5. Now coming to the numbers in circle B, what do we have? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. These are the multiples of the number 10. Yes, so the numbers in circle A are multiples of 5. and the numbers in circle B are multiples of 10. So option B is our correct answer. Then next question, again we are having two circles. Now we have to find out the factors. Yes, the given numbers are the factors of what numbers. Now in the circle A we have 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44 children. These are the numbers of what? Sorry, these are the factors of the number 44. See, 144s are, 222s are and 11 4s are. So option the numbers in circle A are the factors of 44, and when it comes to the circle B, all these are the factors of 78. 178s are, yes, 13 6 are, 226 are and 339s are 78. So the numbers in circle A are the factors of 44 and the numbers in circle B are the factors of 78. Option D becomes our correct answer. Next question, what is the next picture in the sequence? Now if you observe the sequence, here we are having 2, here we are having 4 triangles, and then here we are having 8 triangles. So all these are what? All these are doubling themselves. See, first we had 2, then we have 2 2s are 4, and then we have 4 2s are 8. Now in the next picture, how many triangles will we have? We'll have 8 2s are 16. So from the given options, which is the correct one? Option A, 4, 8, 12 and 16. Option A has 16 triangles. So option A is the correct answer here, children. Yes, and with this we've come to the end of today's class. I hope you've understood the multiple choice questions from factors and multiples. I'll see you in another video with new chapter, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.